So we're going to talk about how to floss implants. One technique though for sure is how to hold the floss. So you pull an arm's length and wrap it on your middle finger. Start from the very end. You want to be thumb length apart, tight fist, thumbs up. Use your index fingers or your thumb and index finger to floss. Now when you have an implant, this is a bridge, and I'll show the floss thrower in just a minute. Once you go in, now this is loose, so it may pop up, but once you go in, you pull toward the implant and you go side to side. It's called buffing. The diameter of the implant never recreates the natural diameter of the tooth. Now a natural tooth is just an up and down motion, but when you go to the implant, you buff it. Now you can let go of one end and pull it through. When you use the floss threader, you just thread it through, and if you do have the implant bridge, you definitely got to use the floss threader. And once you go through, go like that, again, you just pull toward the implant and you buff it side to side. The key is buffing. The diameter is always more narrow than the natural tooth, so you sort of got that concave area you got to get to. So that's how you floss the implant. Use an unwaxed floss. I like the cocoa floss, but the main thing, I don't care if you're using knitting yarn, just buff that thing. Have a great day.